This natural drink will clear out phlegm and mucus in your lungs, God willing. Some mucus in the lungs is good for the immune system, but excess can be harmful and cause difficulty breathing, eating, and more. You will need 1 cup of warm water. Lemon juice first thing in the morning helps to eliminate toxins and get your digestive tract a kickstart. Lemons are high in vitamin C and help to strengthen our immune systems. You will also need half of a lemon juiced. Raw natural honey is filled with antioxidants and can help protect your body from cell damage due to free radicals. Honey helps to emulsify and help melt away that excessive mucus. You will also need 1 to 2 teaspoons organic raw honey. Olive oil is rich in monounsaturated fat and contains large amounts of antioxidants. The ingredient in olive oil, oleocanthal, is the powerhouse of this oil, and with it, it can inhibit excess mucus in our bodies. You will need 1 tablespoon organic olive oil. Cinnamon is high in cinnamaldehyde and thus responsible for many of the benefits. Cinnamon's powerful anti-inflammatory activity helps dissolve mucus and phlegm throughout the whole respiratory tract. And lastly, you will need 1/4 teaspoon organic Ceylon cinnamon. Drink this natural, delicious drink first thing in the morning, and God willing, you will breathe easier and the mucus will be cleared from the body.